Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video brings you a flight test of the SIYI RC10 Pro paired with the SIYI N7 flight controller. The SIYI UniRC10 Pro is specially designed for professional operations involving drones, UGVs, USVs, and intelligent robots. It features a 10.1-inch large display with up to 2000 nits of brightness, allowing you to maintain full control effortlessly at your fingertips. The SIYI N7 flight controller is equipped with an H7 dual precision floating point processing unit. It adopts built-in dual IMU redundancy and an internal shock-absorbing structural design, providing high reliability for aircraft operation. The N7 flight controller is compatible with both the ArduPilot and PX4 open-source ecosystems, enabling a wide range of application scenarios and delivering stable, comprehensive system solutions for drone, unmanned vehicle and vessel and intelligent robotics enthusiasts, as well as industry application developers. Products used in this flight test include SIYI AV-NEO4 SE GPS, SIYI N7 flight controller, SIYI RC10 Pro. Before installing the propellers, power on the drone first. In the SIYI UniRC ground control station, unlock the motors and check whether the rotation direction of each motor is correct. After confirming everything is correct, install the propellers. Once all pre-flight preparations are complete, the aircraft is ready for takeoff. In this test, the SIYI N7 flight controller was paired with the RC10 Pro remote controller. The N7 features an H7 dual precision floating point processor, built-in dual IMU redundancy, and an internal vibration damping structure, ensuring high system reliability. It supports both the ArduPilot and PX4 open-source ecosystems, enabling extensive application expansion and providing stable, comprehensive system-level solutions for drones, unmanned vehicles and vessels, intelligent robotics enthusiasts and industrial users. The N7 flight control system supports a wide range of feature-rich SIYI ecosystem products as well as open-source ecosystem devices, easily meeting diverse application requirements. Combined with high-performance firmware and software such as PX4, ArduPilot, Q-Ground Control and Mission Planner, it supports broader application scenarios and delivers powerful system-level solutions. At the same time, it lowers the entry barrier for users and provides developers with a complete development platform to accelerate application development. As SIYI's latest generation remote controller, the RC10 Pro features triple frequency redundancy. Users can freely configure single frequency or dual frequency operating modes based on environmental conditions, interference levels, and performance requirements. It supports adaptive frequency hopping and dynamic adjustment of frequency bands, channels, and modulation rates, enabling real-time awareness of communication environment changes. This reduces manual intervention and ensures stable transmission performance across various scenarios. Under the same conditions, its anti-interference capability, communication quality, and transmission distance are further enhanced. Compared with similar products, it delivers stronger signal stability under identical environments, interference levels, flight altitudes, and communication distances, providing more reliable communication for professional unmanned operations. The UniRC10 Pro features an IP54 protection rating, making it suitable for harsh professional operating environments and enabling precise operations in hazardous scenarios as a replacement for manual work. It supports stable control in applications such as site inspection, emergency rescue, firefighting, and marine surveying. Leveraging a powerful hybrid open ecosystem, the UniRC10 Pro can easily integrate with gimbals, flight controllers, power systems, and third-party payloads that support the SIYI ecosystem or are based on the MAV-Link Open Protocol. When used with the UniGCS ground control software, it enables fast access to flight data display, gimbal and payload control, power telemetry feedback, and rapid link parameter tuning, significantly reducing integration complexity. During this flight test, the SIYI RC10 Pro and SIYI N7 flight controller worked together with excellent stability. The remote controller's precise handling, smooth response, and comfortable grip provided strong assurance for a high-quality flight experience. This concludes the SIYI RC10 Pro and SIYI N7 flight controller flight test video. Thank you for watching. If there is anything else you would like to learn more about, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and user guides. See you in the next video.